Hi everyone, I want to demonstrate a product which is the e-learning platform. That's elearn.wifcombatacademy.com. So our learning platform are for kids who want to learn technology or different skills in STEM for Key Stage 1 to Key Stage 4. For you to access the website, you can either Google it or you can put our URL, which is elearn.wi5combatacademy.com. So I go to Google, put elearn Wi-Fi combat. I click on the website, I click on the link, and it takes me to the website. So welcome to the Wi-Fi Combat e-learning platform. I have a series of courses that we teach our kids, as I said, from Key Stage 1 to Key Stage 4. That's from Primary 1 to Primary 6, and then from Year 7 to Year 11, or GSS 1 to SS3. So we have the home, we have the courses, and we click on to registration. So for our courses, we'll discuss about it later. So let me just scroll down so you can have a look at how a landing page looks like. So you have the About Us page, a little about Wi-Fi Combat, the courses, and then of course, classes are ongoing. Enroll your child today. So I'm going to click on the sign in registration page. So it takes me to the registration page, but as I said, I've already registered, so it takes me to my own login details. So if you want to register, this is how the registration page will definitely look like, where you put all your details, and then you make sure you put a good password, and then you save. Once you save, it will now confirm, and then to show you this member. So the member, I've been a member for 2 years, 9 months, and this was actually a sample. These are the courses I registered for. That's the Bitbox JavaScript, fun mobile apps for kids, product design for UI UX. So the user accounts, if you had already made payments, so if you want to make payments, just click on it. And once you click, it takes you here, fill in the details, pay now, it will take you to our payment gateway. So if you want to see how the courses are, I'll take you to the home page. So let's log into the home page. We're going back to the home page. And if I click on the courses, I want you to see the courses. So we have machine learning for Python for Key Stage 2, that's from Year 3 to Year 6. We have Roblox video game design. We have machine learning for Scratch, that's Key Stage 1 and 2. We have Scratch for Key Stage 1 and 2. We have 3D modeling, where kids from Key Stage 1 to Key Stage 3 and 4, that's for primary, senior elementary, primary school, and secondary school students can do this. Alice is actually for everyone, even right from primary school students can attempt Alice because Alice is more advanced than Scratch. So we have web development, build interactive websites, that's for secondary school. We have UI, UX, product design. We also have Green Food. Green Food is actually for secondary schools, and the courses that we have here. So Green Food is a game application where students can design games using Java. Then we also have another course, which is Internet of Things for beginners. So surprisingly, both primary, that's senior elementary, and secondary school students, if it's your first time ever learning, this will be the platform to learn. We also have 2D Unity game design. This is the beginners. And we also have this very interesting, fun-loving app for Key Stage 1 and 2. So these are the courses that we have here for now. As I said, we're building it. So I'm going to click on, if I click on this course, where does it take me to? So it takes me to, takes me to the introductory page, all about the course. I can read all about the course, what you will learn, the objectives, the course description, the course outline. So we have the course outline from lesson 1 to lesson 9. Then we have the duration for hours. The course, it's a 12-hour course. You can take it self-paced. Time commitment, 1 to 3 hours, depending on their ages. So I suggest for 6 years old, just do 1 hour. So you can increase the tempo, and it's a programming course. It's not difficult for beginners. As I said, we have lesson notes, that projects that students will attempt. 4 projects, the assignments, we're going to give them 9 assignments, and there's 6 videos that they can watch, and all the resources that they need is the laptop, and the internet, of course. So if I click on the view course, it will take me to the course right away because I've already registered this course. So you can see the course outline from lesson 1 to lesson 3. So I have the introductory page. So I'm already in the introduction to programming. And if I click on this, you can actually see everything here. We have the videos to support this. We have assignments, and then answered assignments can be given later. If they click on it later, they get it. So these are the assignments. What coding languages does the Bitbox use? If we also download it, there'll be more assignments that they can do. So this is more of like what they could do here, and then they can answer the questions, and then our facilitator respond back, can reply back. So you can see some students have already started engaging this platform. So you can see what they did. The Bitbox uses JavaScript and so. See the replies, Bitbox using JavaScript, and there was a question that they had to answer. And that's what they were answering here. So, as I said, you can load it in, and that's what we have. So another interesting part is the submission button. So you can actually click on the link, submit assignments, then you can choose your files that you want to submit. So it will go here. So let me just take it to, so I can like upload it. Then I fix it up and it's already there, and I save, and then it's gone. So I can go back to my account to be able to see what I want. So as I said, these are the courses. So I want to check what product design UI UX is. Let me make sure that the video can hear the video, which is very important. So when I click on this.
What's up, everybody? I'm Jesse Showalter, and I'm really excited because today we're taking a look at an amazing piece of design software. It's great for collaborating and prototyping and designing, perfect for web designers and UI designers and people who want to do digital design of all sorts. That's right, today we're taking a look at Figma. This video is all about getting up and running with the basics of Figma. So some of those basic design tools, a tour around the interface, as well as some of the key features of Figma, like collaborating and prototyping and all that good stuff. This would be
So these are some of the videos. Although we have our own videos, we have our own content videos. So there'll be some videos that we can refer on YouTube that we can provide reinvent the wheel when we have things out there. So definitely we have our own content videos, we have facilitators teaching, and we definitely have other videos that can support and make the learning experience very, very interesting. So we have, so this, as I said, this is a course outline. These are the links, click on it and to take you to the courses. So you have lesson 3, and for lesson 3, these are the courses. This is the entire notes. Notes are very important. We have videos to, as I said, to support it, to support what they're doing. Because, when you're teaching students work, you have the videos. They can always go back and reference it through the lesson notes, because the lesson notes are very important. And that's one of the things that we try to do. As I said, it's self-paced. And we take the assignments, we mark the assignments, and we upload it and give them their marks and so on. So that's all that we have for the Wifcombat e-learning platform. It's very, very engaging, very, very interesting, very helpful to build your children's skills for the 21st century. As I said, we've moved from the traditional workforce to more of the innovation economy, and these things are it's time that they begin to build their skills, and this platform helps you to build the skills for the 21st century workforce. It helps you to be innovative. So we have more of innovative learning rather than traditional learning. And our courses, as I said, they're very, very interesting. We try to cover up different courses. If you want to do gaming, you want to have a career for gaming, we do that, because we notice that gaming has changed. Gaming is also called simulations, where you can simulate environments. So gaming is big. Gaming can be used as a simulation for the workforce. I want to learn about safety. And what can I do? I can create a game for safety, and then my team can come and try the game out. And the courses to be able to do that should be able. There are courses that we recommend, like 2D Unity, 3D Unity, animation. You can even use Roblox, because the kids can actually simulate and create this kind of things. And if they want to be able to do gaming, they can actually do it. There are also courses for virtual reality in conjunction with 3D Unity. And then we're looking at other career pathways. We want to learn about AI. We have career pathways for that. For machine learning with Python. Students in secondary school can learn the basics of that, So you have machine learning with Scratch. So you can see for Scratch, for kids from kids stage 2, they can learn all these things. Roblox Studios, as I said, for the younger ones. And this is very interesting because it's pure Java programming with Greenfoot. Pure Java programming. What makes it different is that it's more of visual programming. So you just pick and drop. 3D modeling design is what they're using for the metaverse, the NFTs. We've talked that, and already we're making notes for these things. So 3D modeling for teens, if they can get the foundation, they can learn on animation, they can learn to create things on virtual reality. Surprisingly, that these are things that are being taught in universities. So if they get the skills, they go there, they're ready for the workforce. They don't have to finish the universities to get a job. Once they're in university, they can definitely get the job. And then when you're looking at the mobile apps for kids, JavaScript, you're already introducing them to programming language. This is a very interesting platform, because students can actually learn how to program, pure programming. But as I said, it's visual programming. So they get to do projects, which is visual. They get to see what they're building, because it's very interactive. It's very interesting. They're able to create things. Like, I want to tell the story about what's happening, and that the recent, I can tell different stories. We've done things on sustainable development goals, and these are projects that will be projects that they will work with. So the projects that they're going to do won't just be projects by the side, it'll be projects on sustainable development goals. I want to talk about global warming. I can use the fun mobile apps that's for JavaScript to teach these things. So this is what we have for now. As I said, we're building this. We're definitely going to make it better. And if you have kids from the ages of 6 to 16, why not bring them to our platform? And thank you very much.